Joel Hickerson, GrinDog.com. Today we're going to draw a very simple robot. First thing, you got to think about the robot. And there's about a million different robots. You got R2-D2, Robbie the robot from Lost in Space, even Iron Man. So what you want, more than or different from the organic human form, you're going to start with boxier shapes. So maybe we'll do a box for the head, box for the body, and maybe, wheels, or maybe even a tank track for the base. The arms, you want to give it some humanized elements, especially if you're drawing kind of a cartoon robot like what we'll be doing. He'll have some hoses, different things to kind of give him a robot. And the other thing is, even though he's a boxier, more mechanical object, you want to identify some things like a human face that he might have in common with a human face, like maybe lasers in where the eyeballs might be, and for a mouth you might do some kind of grid speaker. Okay? Now, as with all drawings that you're kind of thinking as you draw, I usually start with a pencil and sketch very loosely, very lightly, until I get the construction elements in place. And then I'll come back with a marker and finish the process off. Now I've put a little control panel in his chest with a series of buttons and maybe even a little LED indicator. Okay? Got the construction elements like I like them. Now I'm going to come back with a marker and pick out the lines that I like and just keep those lines. Again, now this is a boxy guy, but I think he's going to have kind of a can for his head. Okay? So the eyes, which are actually maybe just lasers in there. So this will actually be filled in somehow. Speaker, where he makes his sounds. A grid of some sort. Hydraulic hose for the neck. The body will be also blocky. Maybe it'll be more square. And we'll come out with a claw, maybe it's like the letter C for the hands. And on this side. Another hose for that arm on that side. Like a tank track for his base. Control panel on his chest. Maybe buttons down one side and a series of squares. LED indicator in the top. That's pretty much a good basic robot shape that you could start out with. Now, if I've done my job, I can come back and get rid of all my pencil lines, the construction elements that I used to make this guy work. And that's how you draw a simple robot.